we go. Okay, here we go. Ready?
Yep. Ask the internet and you shall receive. Well, look at this. We have road construction.
And we have a car behind us.
And we have a car behind us. And we get to see how FSD is going to handle this area where road construction.
So there's someone coming.
FSD is going to need to navigate around this.
Yeah, we'll not.
We'll take another attempt at this.
We'll stop.
Doesn't want to re-engage. There it goes. And okay. Well, fail. I'm sure Dan O'Dowd will love this content.
Turning left. I will say it handled that right appropriately.
All right, we'll turn around, go back through it the opposite direction, and then we'll maybe try another attempt at it.
I can't see anything up behind me, so I didn't adjust the mirrors properly.
So here's what we've done. We came across this road construction and decided what a great opportunity to show FSD struggling through a, what would we call this, edge case scenario.
Yes. God, I forget how much taller you are than me when it comes to the... Oh, wait. My bad. I forgot to edit the... There we go.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay.
There we go.
Can we do it one more time? Is that okay? Or you want to do it one more lap through?
Oh, like turn around and do it again?
Yeah, in other words, we'll get four attempts.
Sure. 2 each way.
There we go.
Oh, I feel like that was cool.
All right, here we go. In my off-camera drives, it has been able to navigate this. It comes a little close to the cone, but not too bad. Okay.
When I turn around, I gotta put in another... I gotta put in the address again. People are gonna be like, why are they using our driveway so much?
Yeah. We've only done it twice.
Okay, let me pull over to the side and get some addresses going again, so that we should have a route. You okay to hover for just a second?
Oh yeah, it'll be fine.
All right, entrance. Let's go.
So as you guys can see from the air, this is kind of just a straightaway that leads into road resurfacing that's happening up there. And they've put cones blocking one side of the lane.
Yep.
That the car has to kind of navigate into a one-way in some regards and work with the other vehicles around it to navigate that one-way opening.
All right, here we go. No one's behind us.
And in my off-camera drives, what I've seen it do on this particular street is it gets stuck. And since we don't have anybody behind us, we can let
that was the reason why
we can let it get stuck.
Yeah, there's 0 people behind it.
I don't know why it's slowing for this.
And it's speeding up.
And speeding up. And then a hard slow down here. What is it going to do?
It's just going to do
No, you didn't let it go.
It's literally going to go right into... First there's a... Plus there's a car coming.
You took over a little prematurely there, but...
I wouldn't feel it prematurely, because what happens if I get stuck? Do I have to back up?
I had to back up the other day.
Oh, you want me to show that?
That's what I was trying to show off.
Well, here,
I mean...
if we're doing that, I won't hit these cones. We back up a little bit.
Here, we're going to get a second attempt at this. I think Doug...
Am I clear of the cones? Am I clear of the cones?
Yeah.
Okay. We're going to back up. And get a running start at it again. Ready? Okay, here we go. Give it a little encouragement. Yeah, we're boxed right into it.
Yeah, it just boxes itself right on in here. I mean,
Yeah.
how's it going to get through that?
All right, backing up again, and then gonna manually.
That's what it did right here.
Yeah.
What Doggone Sci-Fi showed on the third attempt there, that's
Yeah.
what it did to me, and I had to back up to
There's
actually.
a truck coming, so I'm gonna give him the right of way.
You realize you're in reverse still.
I know.
Okay.
I was making. You're fine. Making light of the situation. Fine.
Well,
Okay. Then we'll do one more going back.
Yeah. We know that it's been successful making the left there, but it's
and the right.
It's just one of those weird edge cases in that area that
it literally got stuck. You're right.
I wanted to go film it before
they
finished fixing it.
Turn around again. Reverse. Forward. Navigation. Perfect. There we go. All right. Amen. There we go. See, will it do the left 2 times in a row?
I haven't had it fail there. Yeah.
I haven't either.
Oh man.
Much more confident in that one.
Well, like, comment, subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane, stupid YouTube algorithm.